Letting go is one of the hardest things that many people struggle with. Many of us struggle with letting go, to allow ourselves to have inner peace and to reduce the level of stress in our lives. Our faulty beliefs can influence our way of perceiving things, our way of thinking. If we have distorted thinking patterns, also never seeing any good or any other side, always seeing things one way, that brings about conflict, tension, stress, and destroys relationships. Most of the anxieties and stress we experience in our lives come from holding too tight to our faulty beliefs. I believe it, so it must be true. Even when I may be wrong, I should be open to allow other people to express their view and put myself in their position to be able to understand where they're coming from and reach a compromise. Most of our anxieties come from our distorted thinking patterns and from our anger that is not expressed in the way that brings solution, but in a way that is destructive and destroys relationships. Our perceptions that we have sometimes that we can fix others' behaviors without reflecting on our own selves or trying to fix ourselves first. Often people react and respond to what they are receiving from us. If I engage with you from anger, through anger, you are going to be responding to the anger, and often you respond in anger. I give you something to work with and to work at or to respond at. We teach people how to treat us, and then we act surprised when somebody is responding in anger. Like, how can that person respond that way? But the question is, how did I present my case to the person? What did they hear? Did they hear the message the way I intended it to go across or to come across? At one point in our lives or in your life, you are going to have to make peace with the fact that not everything is meant to be fixed. Not everything is meant to be forced or figured out right away. And allow yourself to go through a process to reduce emotional dysregulation and accept things that you cannot control, and reach acceptance, and you will be able to feel relieved and find peace.